Hey, it's Jess again, and I wanted to come and talk with you a little bit about some smart strategies regarding product. And now that you're a business owner and you have 50% access and you're probably working on your initial product purchase decision and things like that, I just wanted to show you some facts and give you some resources that can help your brain as you're processing through what's best for me, but also long-term, like some ideas and things to remember that are going to serve you and save you money. So I wanted to show you my own product. What do I have that I use? How much does it cost? All that. And one of the things that I am so proud about our company is our price point. We have the most competitive, incredible price point. You will easily pay double or triple what you pay for Mary Kay products for our comparable brands. I look, I research, and I can attest that our prices are ridiculously awesome for a high quality product. Like, yes, you can get something cheap at Walgreens or Walmart, or you can even buy the good stuff from Walgreens or Walmart, and maybe it's a little bit less at that point. But the ingredients themselves, their effectiveness, how long they last, then not to mention all of the other things like the 100% guarantee, having a consultant who takes care of you, all those things, the heart of our company, all that, our products are an incredible price. So I wanted to show you, we talk about, different inventory packages that you have available to you. And the bottom package we call like that personal use product, or like the, it's like for yourself basically. And it's like, really? $600? Is that something that really I would use? Wanted to show you my roll-up bag. This is our travel roll-up bag. I love it. I keep it in my bathroom and I literally just leave it packed all the time. And then when I go on a trip, I add a few more things and I'm ready to go. I don't like clutter on the counter, so this helps me. So the top pocket, I have my Miracle 3D set. I have the facial peel, which I absolutely love. I have acne treatment gel for spot treating little pop-ups. And what's not in here that I also have is the charcoal mask. Those are my long-standing skincare products. I also have a oil-free eye makeup remover. And then the bottom pouch is my makeup. And so in here I have foundation primer, a CC cream, and a foundation, because I prefer to have both for really awesome coverage options. I have under eye corrector and concealer, which is the max best option for coloring, brightening under your eyes. I have mascara. I have eyeliner, brow pencil, and I have cream eyeshadow. Very basic products there. I have my compact, this is an old compact, with my colors in it, a blush, some eyeshadow combinations. I've got my brush set, translucent powder to set my face, and then in my little extra purse bag, I have satin lips, and then I just pulled one lip liner, one lipstick, and a lip gloss. Did not pull all my color, but those three things just as like basics. So those products just for me at regular price is, sorry, my phone closed out. Make sure I did that right. Is $509 retail. So I would say, depending on who you are and what you do, the like full store for me is fairly reasonable. I don't use all the supplements. I don't use, especially in this setting, all the colors. I'm not Miss Diva with the this, that, and the other, but I, have a pretty solid array of products, and that is $509. And on average, I'm going to go through 2 or 3 mascaras. I'm definitely going to go through 4 or 5 brow liners. I'm going to go through a couple primers. A couple CC creams. I might do 2 cleansers, maybe 3. Things are going to work out. I'll definitely use probably at least for Ultimate Eye Makeup Remover. And so very quickly, you can see where there's going to be at least $1,000 to $1,500 worth of product that I'm going to roll through in a year, being fairly moderate. Also, I did not include the cost of the brush set to buy it initially, the cost of the travel roll-up bag itself, or my Skinvigorate brush that I use for my face, as well as the compact, whatever compact you use. If you add those initial things in to kind of be totally set, it's about a $686 price. And then if you add in the extra eyeshadows and blushes, like my original account was 1 blush and 3 eyeshadows and 1 lip look. What I actually have that I use is more like 2 eye looks, and I have, 3 or 4 lip products. That total price is $699. That's retail. So first of all, good news. You get to get all that for $350. Amazing. And then, over the year, you'd be looking at, instead of spending $1,000, $1,500, you're spending $500 to $700. That's amazing. So I really want to encourage you to use our products. They are amazing. There may be something you don't love. That's okay. You don't need to lie. But, work hard to find products. Use samples. Ask me to send you something so you can try things. The more products that you use, the more money you save. That's the starting point. Then the more products you use, the more intelligently you can talk to people. It just doesn't work, at least not for most women, to be like, oh yes, our charcoal mask is awesome. It does this, this, and this. But if you can say, oh my gosh, I love the charcoal mask. What I noticed was using it twice a week, my skin looks brighter and it looks more even. I've noticed that breakouts have diminished because it's pulling that stuff out on its own. And that's just a different thing. You're not selling at that point. You're just sharing about your own experience, and you will sell. And so there is magic to speaking about our products, to knowing what you like, or to even figuring out workarounds. Like I'm wearing a limited edition lip tint, and it's kind of like a lip stain, but not alcohol. It doesn't burn, doesn't dry. But you know what? When I first started using it, it wasn't quite jiving for me. And so as I practiced with it and I researched, I figured out what would make it work. And so I can tell people honestly, hey, here's what I would recommend. Hey, if you have issues, let's do this. It's just real. That doesn't cost me any money. That doesn't make me a weird person. That makes me just a normal woman helping another woman out. And so no matter what you want with your business, can I just encourage you to take advantage of your 50% discount. If you use our stuff, you will be active no matter what. At least once a year, you can do a good 600 stock up, or a couple times a year spread out if that's better budget-wise. But it is a gift to have all this stuff that you can use. And then it's also, all these products that you can share with people and all of that. And so I just wanted to kind of give you a visual of what that product looks like, how much I'm using in my daily life. And as you decide on, as you get started, which order you want to maybe place to either stock for yourself or for your friends and family and customers, just be thinking that's kind of a normal amount of product for all women. Some women would use way more. Some women would use less and be, much more bare basics. But how many people do you want to be set up to serve? And this is kind of your window over these few months where you get tons of free products. You get an entire miracle set handed to you for free. That can stock you for the rest of the year, or it can be $100 of profit the first time you sell it. You can get lipsticks and lip glosses and mascaras and satin hands and charcoal mask and eye makeup remover. So be smart about those bundles so that you can get as much free to set up your business or to set up yourself, those bundles do not come back. You don't get another chance. So it is a really, really, really powerful time to take advantage of all of that. So if you have questions, let me know. If you want me to, show you more pictures or a breakdown, give you recommendations, that's what I'm here for. I want you to have the most effective experience and to be set up to be, personally benefiting with the discount and being able to really help people in a knowledgeable way. So I hope this helps, and I will talk to y'all soon.